Hi guys, welcome back. So today we've got the MK7.5 GTI TCR back in. So if you watch some of our other videos, you'll probably be quite familiar with this car already. It's got APR Stage 1 ECU, DSG software. It's got a ton of suspension work on it, like Vertline, front subframe, suspension links, Bilstein, Damptronic suspension, loads of other stuff. So be sure to check out all the other videos that we've done on this car if you haven't seen it already. But as you can see today, we've got another upgrade. So today we're going to be installing a Clubsport roll cage. And then also 6-point harnesses and a fire extinguisher as well. So a nice thing about this roll cage is that these plates bolt underneath the seats, so we don't really have to do any additional like welding or drilling inside the car to get this particular roll cage fitted. And then because we've got this roll cage, which will just fit in the back so it won't go into the front cabin, we can fit the 6-point harnesses as well. These are TRS harnesses, so UK made harnesses with some Regal Autosport branding as well. We'll video the whole process and let us know what you think after. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to watch other videos of ours that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you'd like to watch some other videos that we have in the same playlist, then click here. And obviously if you enjoyed the video, then we really appreciate if you gave us a subscription. And then obviously you'll be updated when other videos of ours go live, and you can do that quite easily by clicking here. Hope to see you soon.